Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching VS Code Web in your browser and connecting the editor to a repo or local files. This gives you instant editing without installing. Once done, sign in so your settings, extensions, and access tokens follow you. Make sure to enable local file access when prompted if you need to edit files on disk. Doing so lets the web editor read and write. Now pick the project folder or open the specific GitHub repository you want to work on. You continue by using the command palette and quick open to jump to files and commands. This speeds editing and avoids menu hunting. Next, add only essential web-compatible extensions, linting, themes, and Git helpers, or enable a remote workspace if you need terminals and debugging integrated. Make sure to use inline diffs and code actions to keep commits tidy. When you save, VS Code Web stages changes for Git operations. Once these middle steps are stable, you'll be ready to test. You finish by staging and committing your changes with clear messages, then push to the remote repo using the built-in Git controls so others can review your work. Before closing, run live preview or forward a port to validate your app in the browser. This catches runtime issues early. If something breaks, first check the developer console and permissions, next disable recent extensions, and finally re-authenticate your account. That sequence resolves most web editor problems quickly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.